Crypto is no longer just about coins and tokens, it's about real ownership. In 2026, smart investors aren't just holding Bitcoin or Ethereum, they're setting up crypto LLCs to legally protect both their digital assets and real estate holdings. But what exactly is a crypto LLC? How does it work? And why should you care? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use a crypto LLC to secure your wealth in 2026. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a professional formation service that includes LLC filing, registered agent services, and business formation. They offer excellent privacy protection and customer service from agents around the United States at a reasonable cost. Northwest Registered Agent offers a service in which they can file your LLC for you without any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Now, let's continue the video. Let's start simple. A crypto LLC is just like a traditional limited liability company, but tailored for people who deal with digital assets like crypto wallets, NFTs, staking income, or even metaverse land. Instead of mixing your personal identity with your crypto transactions, a crypto LLC acts like a legal wrapper. It protects you if something goes wrong, whether that's a hack, a lawsuit, or tax complications. And here's the kicker. In states like Wyoming, Delaware, and Nevada, laws are already adapting to make LLCs crypto-friendly. Now, why do people in 2026 care about crypto LLCs so much? 3 reasons. 1. Asset protection. If someone sues you, your personal car, home, and savings are separate from your crypto LLC. 2. Tax strategy. Depending on how you set it up, you may be able to treat crypto gains as business income, sometimes lowering taxes. 3. Privacy and professionalism. Instead of sending payments from your personal wallet, you operate under an LLC name. That looks way more legitimate when dealing with investors or partners. And it doesn't stop at crypto. People are now using the same LLC to hold both real estate and digital assets. Imagine owning a rental property and staking Ethereum, all under one protected legal structure. Here's where it gets exciting. Hybrid investing. In 2026, many entrepreneurs are combining real-world properties, like Airbnbs, rental homes, or commercial buildings, with blockchain-based assets. Why? Because you can receive rent in stablecoins, record property deeds on blockchain, even tokenize a share of your property for fractional ownership. All of this works smoother when you hold both your real estate and your crypto wallets under one LLC umbrella. Now you're probably wondering, how do I set one up? The steps are actually similar to a normal LLC. Choose a crypto-friendly state like Wyoming or Delaware. File your articles of organization. Get an EIN, that's your business tax ID. Open a business crypto wallet and possibly a business bank account. Draft an operating agreement that specifically covers digital asset management. And here's a pro tip. Don't DIY this if you're new. Services like Northwest Registered Agent specialize in helping people set up LLCs while keeping your info private. They're reliable, fast, and handle the paperwork so you don't mess it up. Now, don't think a crypto LLC is a magic shield. You still need to follow IRS tax rules. Crypto is taxable. You still need good wallet security. An LLC doesn't protect you from hacks. And you need to stay updated on regulations because crypto laws change fast. So here's the bottom line. A crypto LLC in 2026 is one of the smartest ways to secure both your real estate investments and digital holdings under a single, protected business structure. If you're serious about long-term wealth, it's worth considering. Drop a comment below if you're planning to start one, or if you already have an LLC holding crypto. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with anyone looking to protect their wealth. And if you want a step-by-step guide to forming your own LLC, I'll link my favorite service in the description. They'll handle the paperwork for you.